first, I just want to share to you one of my precious bike parts, the Cannondale dropper post, which I recommend you use in your bikes, especially when it is used by 2 or more persons with different ride height, which is actually the main reason why I install it is because my bike is used by others as well. Using a normal seat post will make us adjust frequently, which kinda inconvenient especially when your riding position is compromised. After a careful search and evaluation, I finally found one at RD Cycles. You can look at the link below where you can buy this product, or you can message me directly at facebook.com/kogibike. Some of you must be wondering how I managed to install it in a budget bike frame like this. This is a Foxter Vinson 6.2 Plus. If you see the structure of this dropper post, it is only compatible with frames that has internal cable routing specific for internal cable routed dropper post like this. Well, you can buy an external routed dropper post in a lower price, but I don't feel much about the aesthetics, and you must also buy a seat clamp that is compatible for the dropper post. Here's the trick. What I just did is drill a small hole in the seat tube where a cable housing can fit in. Well, it's because I have a 1x setup and I managed to use the available hole built specifically for side swing front derailleur. That's where I fit the cable for our dropper post and slip right through the hole that I just drilled.
Chill and relax.
For honest review, I have not much to say about the quality. Like everyone used to say, you get what you pay. The aesthetic is good, it's clean, no wires are exposed. You can also use any shifter cables for it, and I'm happy because the size is actually made specific for my bike, which has 31.6mm outer diameter, not to mention that the bike has 1x setup. That's it. If you want to try, I suggest be very careful on drilling holes in your bike. Make it as small as possible so that the quality of your bike will not be compromised. Once again, we are now an authorized dealer of RD Cycles, so if you want to buy bike products from them, you can buy it directly from me. If you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and notification bell. See ya!